Today we gather not only to celebrate the inauguration of our new president, but to reaffirm our commitment to the values that define Nichols College and a renewed commitment to our most cherished asset, our students.
We're confident that President Pieczynski will support the culture of Nichols and foster change that is both forward-thinking and deep-rooted in the college's honored traditions.
President Pieczynski has proved to value and respect the history and culture of the college, and the students humbly ask him to preserve what has made Nichols special, but also to challenge us to grow and develop that culture.
Bill, Lana, and their boys have been and are true champions and outstanding ambassadors for Nichols College.
Staff and fellow students, we look forward to building a future that is bright and filled with possibility.
This presidency, particularly at this point in time, is vital to Nichols' continued success.
Ladies and gentlemen, I formally present you the 9th President of Nichols College, Bill Pieczynski.
I look forward to collaborating with you to further the work of my predecessors and propel the college to even greater heights. But your generation is pragmatic. You are ambitious and open-minded, gritty with a side of spunk. You are driven by important causes. You draw strength from one another, and you get things done. You want to make a difference in the world, and we can help you do so.